Hey guys, it's Decelation. Today we're back on the Factory 5 hot rod truck. Brian.
What's going on?
So today, I've got to start doing this. I hate being the person that does this, but if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. It helps get it out to more people. So go ahead, just hit that subscribe button, and the like button. Thank you. But today we are back on the Factory 5. Brian gets to have another round with his old nemesis, the radiator condensing and grill. And myself, I get to work on attaching the gas pedal, and then I finally painted all of these little interior panels that I need to finish attaching, and this one and this one right here. And I painted under the drive shaft tunnel. So I'm gonna be drilling and attaching all of that stuff after I attach the gas pedal. And yeah, if there's anything else that we just come across, and that's just the overarching plan for today. So we'll see where it goes next. All right, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. So, give you guys a little update. This throttle pedal has been annoying at best. So we did get it connected and ran through here and mounted to the wall right here. Then the problem lies where it didn't take much to snap this bolt. We were tightening it down onto the top of the throttle pedal right here, right there. So we were tightening that down and it snapped. Luckily I had another one, but we attached it and the cable feeds into this hole right here, and then it has a set screw that you tighten down at the top. Well, we were testing it out, we got it reattached and everything, and it was like boom, 2 presses on the throttle, shot the cable back into the sheathing, and now the cable won't feed out. So I have to get a new throttle cable. I've already ordered it. It'll be here in a couple days, so it's just something that we have to deal with. But honestly, I wasn't too much of a fan of the way that throttle cable design was. So I'm actually kind of happy, because I think over time that would have failed, because literally the entire stress of you pressing the throttle is relied on that set screw for holding the cable in. I wasn't too much of a fan of that. So hopefully the next setup we do will work a little bit better. I'll definitely show you guys that if this is still in the same video. If it gets here soon enough, we can produce it in the same video. We'll get it done. Brian, you want to talk about your little project?
Oh, we're working on everything?
Yeah, give them an update.
So, over here on the auxiliary workbench, see my favorite thing in the world, the grill system was taken apart. Did some painting there. So we got all the mounting brackets all painted nice and shiny black. And we got the oil cooler and the trans cooler mounted to the condenser for the air conditioning. So that's all ready to go back together. So as soon as my paint dries, and we got to paint the grill itself. So we're going to go black on the outside and a gray on the inside.
So I'm going to do that right now.
So it'll look all pretty. And then we'll be good with that.
Yeah.
So Gary's going to be doing some painting.
So I'm going to do some painting right now. And stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is day 2. Yesterday, I had to like stop. Everything I was doing was just getting annoying and like frustrating. Stuff was breaking. So, you know, we just had to call it quits. But we got Brian back here again. You want to show Brian? Brian, you want to show off the work that you put in? Because Brian was having a good day.
Oh yeah, well, it's easy taking it back apart after you got it together.
That's true.
So we got a painted grill now. A little black, a little steely gray inside there. That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
We have a oil cooler mounted, a trans cooler mounted. I'm gonna start plumbing that in. Once I have all the fittings and hoses on there, we'll put the whole grill assembly back together, put it back on the front of the car, hook everything back up, and
oh yeah,
we'll pretty much be ready for fluids at that point.
He also painted all the brackets too, so everything's gonna look gorgeous. I painted the grill today though. Well, yesterday and today. 2 parts. But yeah, I'm very pleased with the grill kind of turnout. But yeah, so while Brian's working on this, I have no idea what I'm gonna work on. I will find something to work on. There is plenty to do. But yeah, stay tuned.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Just give you a little update there while Gary's over there breaking drill bits. So, we got my best friend in the entire world, the grill, put back together. All the bolts actually fit back together. We got all the hoses here running out, so we got some transmission cooler lines, some oil cooler lines. Everything's all painted and neat. Now I just have to pick up this monstrosity and carry it back over there and stick it on the car. You can see the enthusiasm. All right, we'll see you on the next update.
All right, welcome back, guys. So Brian over here was the MVP today. Not only did he get my grill back put on, now never mind some of the scratches. I'm gonna touch up paint that. It's kind of hard to see, but yes, there's a couple scratches on it, or I'm gonna sand it down when the paint fully dries. We were kind of on a time crunch, and I just wanted to get it painted and get it put back on. And this is what happens. Allow time for paint to dry, guys.
True statement.
But we'll figure it out. Brian, want to talk about the beautiful stuff that I'm really happy about?
Well, besides getting the grill back on, we had to do a little, got a new lower radiator hose kind of connection in there that's a little bit neater. And it's mainly because everything was kind of pushed in a different direction once we put the coolers on. It spaced it out a little bit. So we got that on there. That's all good. We finally got this in and tight. So we've got the correct bolts for the side instead of just ones we found that fit in the holes. But we also got his first cooler done there, so run the hoses back and you can get down there and see his oil cooler connection. So the oil cooler is plumbed in and ready to go. I gotta figure out how to get his transmission cooler plumbed in tomorrow, and I'll be done plumbing.
Done plumbing.
Done plumbing.
You hear that, guys?
500 miles of hoses on this car.
That's awesome. And what I've been working on, because right now my project, I'm still waiting on the throttle cable. It'll be here tomorrow. So I started working on finishing some of these aluminum panels on the inside of the car, and I'm just gonna finish out all the interior aluminum, and got this and riveted in as well, because I painted the outside of them. And even under the drive shaft, I don't know if I can get enough light under there. Hopefully you can see it. I don't know if you can. I will cut this part out if you can't. But yeah, so I painted under the aluminum drive shaft cover. And yeah, right now, once we get the throttle cable in, we can start connecting batteries, put fluids in, bleed the brakes, and first start, first drive. It's coming. It's coming. I'm pretty stoked. But I am actually going to cut the video off on this one. So you guys got to wait till next video to see what we get done. But I really do appreciate you guys watching. Brian, say goodbye to the people.
Goodbye, people. Click that subscribe button, like, comment. We enjoy reading them.
Oh, we do. And Brian answers just as much comments as well. So if you have questions for Brian, he also is in the comment stream. So hit him up. All right. Have a good one. Peace.